Hey guys, welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. I'm Hunter, and today for my candy series, we are making Almond Joys. Alright, so to make the filling for our Almond Joys, we are going to start off by taking 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and pouring it into our mixing bowl. Make sure you scrape it all out. Now we are going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to remove this so that it doesn't go everywhere. And now we are going to add 4 cups of coconut shreds. Okay, now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of salt. Alright, now we're going to let that mix. We are going to line our pan with aluminum foil, and then we are going to brush some oil on it so that the Almond Joy filling does not stick to the pan. Okay, so now we're going to take our Almond Joy filling and we are going to take it out of the bowl. Okay, so we got it out of the bowl, and now we are going to spread it out over our pan. It is really thick. It was not very easy to get out of the bowl. Okay, so we have the Almond Joy filling spread out on the pan, and now we're going to take our almonds and we're going to go 1, 2, and we're going to try to keep them together, and then a little space, and then 1, 2, and then a little space, and 1, 2. I'm going to do that all the way down. Alright, so we got all the almonds put onto the filling. Now we are going to take and we are going to pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. And then we will put the chocolate, or then we will cut it and put the chocolate on. Alright, see you then. Okay guys, so we let the Almond Joy filling sit in the fridge for an hour, and then we put them in the freezer for about an hour, just to let it harden. And now we're going to take our knife, and we are going to cut down this. Okay guys, so we chopped up the Almond Joys and we put them back in the freezer, and now we are going to melt our chocolate. But before we do that, I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed and liked this video. We really love the support, and we like to see you in our comments down below. And remember to melt the chocolates in the microwave 30 seconds at a time. And in between those 30 seconds, you mix it. You can also use the double boiler method, which means you take a pot and a bowl like this, and you fill up the pot with water, and then you stick the chocolate on it and let that melt. But we are going to do it with the microwave, so make sure that you do it mix every 30 seconds. Okay guys, so we tried to do the Almond Joys, dipping them in chocolate last night, but they weren't sturdy enough to do that, so we put them back in the freezer overnight, and we are going to try again today, but we have to work fast. We're only doing a few at a time out of the freezer so that they stay cool, and so that we can do them. After dipping them in the chocolate, we let them sit in the freezer for about 5 minutes, just so that the chocolate could harden. And now we are going to do a taste test. All right, hold on. Cotton. William. Okay. Wait. Ready?
One, Daddy.
It's honestly better than the store-bought kind. It definitely tastes like an almond joy. Yeah, the sweet and condensed milk and the the sweet and condensed milk and the coconut really it really makes it taste like an almond joy. And the roasted almonds. So I think I'll give it a 10.
Stop.
Yeah, I'll give it a 10. Colton, what do you give it?
10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Share with your friends and try this recipe out for yourself. And maybe even show us a picture of the almond joys that you made. Bye.